Jamaica 101. Basic tips for your Jamaica trip. If you drink, your favorite drink's probably here. Get carried away though, and oops, a hangover. Prevention is better than cure. Here are some tips to beat hangovers. Eat before you drink and rehydrate before bed. Eat alcohol-flavored food instead of drinking. In case oops, sleep in and continue drinking water or sports drinks. Go easy on coffee. Ask your bartender for suggestions. So here's to less hangovers, just more stopovers. Jamaica, a natural buzz. Tell us in the comments what you want to see next in this series. Check out our community post for fun quizzes, polls, and events coming up in Jamaica.